So to connect to the remote computer lab, you'll select one of the computers, connect, and then you have to download a piece of software to connect. When you open up that installer, just click through the menus and it'll prompt you to log in with your PACE credentials. Note that you might have to put in PACE / and then your username in order for it to connect. In order to connect, you need to have Duo installed on your phone and a notification will pop up asking if you give permission. I don't know how to do it if you use the Duo tokens. You would probably have to check with ITS on how to do that. So it'll log you into the remote computer, and then to access OneDrive, you can use whatever browser you prefer. I like Firefox. Usually there is a set bookmark to log into your PACE email. You log in as you normally would with your username and password and a Duo code. Just click through all the options. And then once you're logged in, go to the menu at the top left, and then you can connect either to Microsoft 365 or straight to OneDrive. If you go to Microsoft 365, then select My Content, and you can access whatever file it is that you want to work on and be able to edit in Adobe Pro. So select the file you want, open it up, and then download it to the remote computer, the computer that you're going to be working on. So then you're going to go back to the desktop and open up Adobe Acrobat. It will probably prompt you to sign in or to create an Adobe account. This is free. I've made mine just using my personal Gmail account. I don't get spam from them, so I wouldn't hesitate to do that. And then go to File in the top left and Open to open up the document that you downloaded. And then you'll click on Tools in the top menu and scroll down to Accessibility. And when you click on Accessibility, it opens this menu on the left with the accessibility tools, including the accessibility check. So that'll open up some options. Just click Start Checking. And then it shows you over on the left what accessibility issues came up. To start fixing an issue, you'll right-click on that specific issue and then select Fix. So one issue was a lack of title, so I can just type in the title that I want for the document as a whole and save it. And then move on to my next issue, which was a lack of bookmarks. So I'll select Fix, just select Document as the type, and now my bookmarks are set. If you're not sure what the issue is or how to fix it, if you right-click on it and then click on Explain, it will take you to a website that will explain what that problem is and how to fix it. One problem that you will see a lot is alt text for images or figures. Basically, that means assigning some text that won't show on the screen, but will be accessible to screen readers, to people who use screen reading software, and it will give them a description of what the image is so that they can understand what it is if they can't actually see the image. Then when you're done, you'll save the file, and then you want to re-upload it to OneDrive, so you'll have the edited file there that's been through the accessibility checker. So you just go into your OneDrive, do a new upload, save it, and then you're all set. Make sure you sign out of your Microsoft 365 account, and then you can close your browser and close out of the remote computer.